calm is the key. When I feel anxiety, you know that feeling. It's like when your tummy twists and turns, or there's a lump in your throat. Your heart beats fast and it's hard to breathe. Sometimes we worry about what could happen, might happen, but hasn't happened yet. That's when we practice being calm. Count 1, 2, 3 and tell anxiety to go away. Far, far away. Let's take a deep breath. Myself, I'll trust in Jesus. In through my nose, fill my lungs all the way, then slowly let it go and say, I'm helping my body feel calm today. Hey, hey, hey. I'll find a trusted grown-up and tell them everything, so they can help me find peace within. Count 1, 2, 3 and tell anxiety to go away. Far, far away. Let's take a deep breath. Myself, I'll trust in Jesus. When my thoughts start to spin, I'll count again. 1, 2, 3 and say, not today. Anxiety, I'll trust in Jesus. I'll think on good things, stretch, run and play, feel the wind on my face and pray. If I forget, I hope someone will remind me. Calm is the key, and with God's help I can be free. And if I need a little extra care, I'll tell my grown-ups God put good helpers out there. Count 1, 2, 3 and tell anxiety to go away. Far, far away. Let's take a deep breath. Myself, I'll trust in Jesus.